Hi there, I'm Simon. Today we are going to show you how to test and replace the door latch hook on your LG washer. If you are experiencing issues such as the washer not starting, the door not locking, or an error code DE related to the door latch showing on the display, it might be time to inspect or replace this part. Before we get into the details, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more handy appliance repair tips. Let's get started on getting your washer back in top shape. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering our tools. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, an 8mm socket head, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a Flatblade screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. If the door won't close properly and stay locked, the first thing to check is the door latch hook. It's located on the inside of the door and is spring-loaded. When the door is closed properly, the door hook is inserted into the door latch, pushing on the switch, and when the cycle is selected, the solenoid inside the switch locks the door. Check visually if the hook's end is broken. Push the hook to the right to see if it springs back hard. Then push it up and down. The normal operation would be springing back hard and almost no up-down play. In case the hook is broken or has substantial play, it should be replaced. To get to it, we need to separate the inner door from the outer door. Next step is to remove the door from the washer. We need to take out 6 8mm bolts. I'm using the socket and the power drill. I lift the door off and let's put it on the table. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove all the screws you see on the inner door. Locate the slot at the bottom edge of the door, right in the middle, and then use a flat-blade screwdriver to pry the inner and outer doors apart. You may need to go around the perimeter of the door to do so. Remove the outer door and put it aside. Check visually if the hook's end is broken. How's the other end look? Is the spring intact? If you find the hook broken, replace it. Use the needle nose pliers to grab the sticking out end of the mounting pin and pull it out to release the hook. You may need to use a flat blade screwdriver to push the pin out so you can use the pliers. Remove the hook. This is the old door latch hook next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the new hook in with this flat part on the top. Push the pin through all the way. You may use the needle nose pliers to push it in. Remove the inner door from the table. Bring in the outer door and place the inner door on the top of the outer door. Align and push the inner and outer doors to lock together. Install all the Phillips screws. Make sure you are not missing any. Bring in the assembled door, hook up the hinge and secure it with the 6 8mm bolts. Close the door to check if the latch is working properly. Plug the washer in again and start doing crazy stuff like, for example, laundry. Great job on tackling the door latch hook on your LG washer. We hope this video made your DIY repair a little easier. Feel free to share your repair experience in the comments. We always appreciate hearing how things turned out. If you still need to order a new door latch hook, simply grab your model number and go to AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for letting us guide you through your repair journey, and we are looking forward to helping you with your next project.